days and weeks stalk me. Make up a reason to abandon me, please.
Have some adbu.
Make believes not for me, stay raw. I need much more substance for it to make sense. Crush pedestals.
So I'm nearly halfway there. There's about 70 miles left to drive, but I'm getting excited. In Lincolnshire, everything is flat and it's nothing to see really. Not nature like here, you know. It's started getting beautiful actually. I'm getting excited about this vlog. I'm getting excited about the views, what I'm going to see. I hope you can see everything on the time lapse. What I'm seeing here, start from the flat, and then you can start seeing hills. Everything is green. It's like summer.
You need to carry this weight. Give him the food. You've got what it takes. Sooner than later, you drop the haters. Give him the food. You've got what it takes. All you gotta do is play right. Keep to the left.
I parked my van. My first impressions. We had like Royal Mail train out there. Okay, time to prepare for bicycle trip, and I will try to film it with GoPro, and I will show you what setup I have for GoPro filming with bicycle. That's the cheapest one we can get, so you will see it. So it took me 15 minutes to make this right. So check it out, this one. What you need is the pod and the standing pod and the tape, and that's it. Your setup is ready. So and you will see how it looks from GoPro. Time to put some music and let's go to trip. hot outside. So I'm in the Bridgnorth and I highly recommend this village. And it's amazing view from here. It's going from here to probably somewhere there. As you see, it's down there. So yeah, this is the Bridgnorth Cliff Railway, also known as Castle Hill Railway. The carriage is from 1972. That's the year where it was opened. Very old, very old one, and it doesn't look really safe. We get some history now. Why I stopped here, it was because of this bridge. Looks very old. So this is how the Bridgnorth looks if we am here. Okay, let's go. My next. Guys, you alright? Alright. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, basically saying it's weak bridge. That looks nice. Yeah. I think that finally I found a place where to swim.
For days and weeks, dark me. Make up a reason to abandon me, please.
Everything is dangerous what I saw today, but anyway, it was nice experience.
Oh, you keep to the left. No stress, I'm worth a while.
What can be better? It's like adventure, you know? It's like adventure.
Change into a passive voice and run.
Jesus!
Make believes not for me, say raw. I need for it to make sense.
The weather is good again. Nothing can tell there was rain, you know. Now it's like clear skies, and as I'm hungry, I need to find some place and do some quick barbecue. And I want to enjoy the view as well, you know. That's why I'm looking for good spot, you know.
I think I found something. Yeah, I got like a lake there. The view is not too bad. It's actually good. And it's not far from my van. My van is just down there. It's like a motorway here.
Well, to see something burning here.
Okay. Let's start up this fire. Time to go home, guys.
Passive voice and run me down. Run me down.